Follow along as I show you how to change the email and password of your Podimo account. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on Howgenic. If you're trying to change in the login credentials on the Podimo platform, in this video, let me show you how it's done. Now, the straightaway answer for this is you are not able to change the email address that you've added into your Podimo platform. The only thing that you can change is the password of your Podimo account. The easiest way to change the password is, even if you have forgotten the password of your account, is to reset the password. To do that, open up the Podimo app and make sure that you have logged out of your account. Or if you don't have access to your account, that's even better because you can straight away reset it. From this section, tap on continue with email, type in your email address, tap on continue, and now here instead of the password section, you can tap on the forgot password option and your email address will be immediately added in. Tap on send. This way a reset password link will be sent to the email address that is linked with the Podimo account. So open up your email service provider and find the email sent from Podimo. Inside of the app, you will find the email that has been sent to you. You'll just need to tap on this link. Now, once you click on this link, you're going to be taken to the website of Podimo, from where you'll be able to see the option called My Users. Now, if you straight away don't see this option, you can switch the browser to a desktop site. You can tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure that the desktop site option is enabled. Once you do, you'll be able to see the option of My Users on the top right. You can just tap on that. And on the left hand side, you can tap on the password option. This way, if you know the password of your account, you'll be able to type in your current password, type in the new password that you want to add in, and then repeat the password again. So just fill in all of these three options and then just tap on update password. This way, the new password will be instantly updated. So those are the steps that you need to follow in order to change the credentials on your Podimo account. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.